Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing and funding your trading tick account so you can act immediately. Create and verify your account, then enable 2FA. This protects your trades and funds. Link a bank or card and deposit a conservative $50, $500 to test execution without risking too much. Once done, set market preferences, time zone, default chart type, and populate a 5-10 item watch list so you always have liquid instruments to practice with and monitor price moves. Now you move into chart analysis and order execution to turn ideas into trades. Open the chart and add 2 to 3 indicators like moving average, RSI, and volume so you understand trend, momentum, and participation. Then choose the proper order type, market for speed, limit for price control, stop for protection, and set position size and acceptable slippage to manage risk. Make practice entries via paper trading or tiny live orders to validate execution, because real fills complete the process by actively monitoring and closing positions according to your plan so you preserve capital and learn from outcomes. Set stop loss and take profit levels immediately and adjust only with justified reasons. This enforces discipline. When it's time, close or scale positions and record the trade details in your log for review. If things go wrong, check connectivity, order status, and platform notifications first. Reconnect, retry a small order, and contact support with a screenshot to resolve mismatched fills quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.